I'm Dan Galpin, Developer Advocate at Google. In this course, we're going to build a weather app together called Sunshine. We chose a weather app because it's easy to conceptualize while touching most of the core APIs we want to teach. By the end of the course, you'll be able to use those APIs and concepts to build your own app for your final project. The main screen is a list of forecast information with an emphasized presentation for the forecast for today's weather. With just a quick glance, I can decide if today is a stay inside and code day, or if I should code from the park instead. We have icons to indicate conditions like snow, rain, fog, or sunshine. With a click on one of the forecasts, we bring up a detailed view containing the rest of the weathery goodness. This view also gives us the opportunity to share the weather with our friends, #sunshine, #Udacity. We can go to settings and change the units of measure as well as the location. The app will post system-wide notifications to let us know about weather conditions without even entering the app.